Hi, I'm CH Pravali of class 10 from C International School. In this video, I'll be performing an experiment to show the density of various liquids. The items required are an empty glass, honey, colored water, and some oil. Firstly, you'll need to add the honey inside the empty glass and let it just sit down for some time. And then add the colored water on top of the honey. And now finally add the oil on top of the water. You can notice that none of these mix and form a layer on top of each other. You can also try to stir all the liquids, but you'll notice that none of them get mixed up. The reason for this to happen is that oil has the least density, thus it floats above the water and honey. The water floats in between oil and honey as it has greater density than oil but lesser density than honey. And finally, the honey is at bottom as it has greater density than the above two liquids. Now try adding a nut inside the liquid. You'll notice that it sinks. This is because it has a greater density. Whereas when you add a piece of foam, it floats above the oil as it has less density. By this, we can conclude saying that greater the density, it floats, and lesser the density, it sinks.